Well friends, here is the problem number 74 and the given problem is here. So this first figure indicates how the paper is folded. Now I will take that figure here. So this is the given first figure and they folded the paper at this point and at this point, from this direction and from this direction. That means a very important point, as said in the previous example, you should count how many layers becoming after folding. Okay, if you fold the paper from this direction at this point, how many layers will become? 2 layers will become. And if you fold the same paper from this end at this point, how many layers will become? 2 layers. And this will appear like this. After folding, it will appear like this. And in the second figure, it is showing that this figure or this paper is folded like this. This is the point where it is folded. This is the point where it is folded in this direction. Okay, if you fold this paper in this direction, then it will appear like this. Okay, it will appear like this. Now, how many layers you are having there? Here I got 2 layers. Here I got 2 layers. Okay, here I got 2 layers. Here I got 2 layers. The same layers will be present at the bottom. 2 layers here, 2 layers here. From the second figure, the paper is folded one more time. And now, how many layers I will be having here? How many layers I will be having here? Yes, I will be having 4 layers. 4 layers. Okay, I will be having total 4 layers. Okay, now in the next figure, it shows that in this folded paper, they punched 2 holes. They punched 2 holes. Now, if you unfold this paper, how this appears? Okay, how this appears? As I said, here I will be having 2 layers. Here I will be having 2 layers. When I give a hole here, 1 hole here, as I am having here, how many layers? 2 layers in the top portion, 2 layers in the bottom portion, because it is folded like this. So only 2 layers will appear at the top and only 2 layers will appear when you unfold it. 2 layers will come at the bottom. So I will get 2 holes here. At the top I will get 2 holes, and this side also I am having 2 layers at the top and 2 layers at the bottom. So I will get 2 holes here as well at the top, and in the bottom also you will get 2 holes at the bottom here, and here also you will get 2 holes at the bottom. Now imagine that unfolded paper. In the unfolded paper you will get 2 holes here like this and 2 holes like this. In the bottom also you will be having 2 holes like this, 2 holes like this. So this will be the unfolded paper. Now you can see the option 2 is exactly matching with this figure. So option 2 is the right option. Option 2 is the right option. This is how we solve this example. The very important point is observing how many times the paper is folded and observing, counting the total number of layers formed after folding that paper. That will give you answer for the given question. Okay friends, now I will move to next problem.